own how you make your money. Rent, lease, everything else. And I'm saying that because I know ain't nobody told you this. And we tend to buy things that we shouldn't buy, that we should lease or we should rent from others instead of owning them. You want to own how you make your money. This economy is built upon money. So you want to own the tools, the equipment, and what it takes to make you money. Everything else, you can lease that. You can rent it. You know what I mean? You got to remember, we're not here to stay. We're passing through. So you can leave someone business, ways to make money. But the stuff that you just buying just to buy, just to look good, you know what I mean? Lease that shit. Because you wasting a lot of money and a lot of time. And then you have to go back and fix things and work on things and spend extra money to fix something that was designed to fail. Listen to me. It was designed to fail. So, you know the old saying that said you can't beat them, join them. Join them. Rent that shit from them. Lease it. Buy everything you can to make you money. That's what you want to own. Hog on.